where you thought you would never see this day happen?
Oh, absolutely. Throughout the lockdown, there was moments where I thought the facility might not open this year, and we might be going into 2021 till we start our facility back up and running. So to be outside now and getting everything going again is absolutely superb, and it's been a good week to see all the members coming back.
During lockdown, I took part in all the online sessions that Lee provided. You can maintain your fitness at home doing the home workouts, but having someone on the other side of the computer is not the same as being in person.
Yeah, I really missed it, really missed the company. You do work a lot harder when you're up here than when you're in the house, definitely. The first time in my life I can say I've enjoyed fitness.
Even though we've had video PTs, there's nothing like actually coming up and using all the machinery and all the weights. So as long as we've got the weather now, it's great to be back and sort of continue our fitness journey, really.
What do you think people miss the most about the gym?
I think maybe like the routine, obviously being around the other members, the banter sort of thing, the community that we've built here. I think the members obviously miss that hugely. We have a lot of members who come here just for like mental health problems and just like getting out the house and being around other people, and all our members are friendly and they all get on with each other. So I definitely being isolated in the house has been the biggest thing I think through lockdown.
He's been a miracle worker for me. I was off, when I first met Lee, I'd been off work for a little while, under a lot of stress in work and everything, and my anxiety levels have gone completely. During lockdown, he's been absolutely brilliant. Couldn't have asked for any more. I can't thank him enough, because my stress levels would have been up there somewhere.
Safety is really important to you guys here and making your members feel safe, so how have you ensured that?
Every bench and bay is 2.5 metres apart, so it's covering all the social distance and stuff. Hand sanitizer on each bay, anti-back wipes on each bay as well. Done everything we can, I think.
We're in a really unsure time, so to be able to come and work in your health and fitness in a really safe, clean environment, they've gone to amazing effort to keep the place clean and to social distance.